Hey YouTube world, what's going on, man? I'm actually back with the beast. Yeah, that's the beast. E53 AMG. You know what it is. You know, hold on, man. Let me show y'all. Try getting out to get the plate in there. But yeah, man, this her in all her glory. So we're gonna have to go wash this joint because when I picked it up, it was filthy and it's still filthy. So I got my my tire shine from my other car. I'm gonna go ahead and just go wash the car, and then once we wash the car, we're gonna definitely hit the streets. We're gonna go see what the city has to offer. We gonna probably get into some shenanigans. We're gonna terrorize the streets. You know what it is. So there's this trick where if you hold down the down paddle and you turn on the car, it starts real nice. Woohoo! Hope y'all heard that. So right now I got the purple ambient lighting going. Bro, this has gotta be the best feature right here. I love the lighting, man. Like, it goes all the way around, even in the back. You got the red seat belts. Yeah, I know, man. Drizzy on the dash, you know what I'm saying? Digital dash. We're gonna go wash the car first, and then we're gonna hit the streets, and then from there we're gonna get up to some bullshit. We gonna see what's popping tonight. Look, something light. Obviously we're gonna have to do something about that exhaust. Now, when it comes to chasing your dreams, I've been a big advocate of chasing your dreams, making sure you stay grinding, man. Like, never give up. Not for shit like this, because your happiness could come in any form. Mine, unfortunately, is cars, and it is an expensive hobby, but I love them and I wouldn't trade it for the world. Whatever your passion is, go ahead and find it. I heard a quote, and I love this quote. Either you lock in now or spend the rest of your life clocking in. Getting the night started. It is about midnight in Toronto. Let me go ahead and put my seatbelt on so the shit stops dinging. This is the E53. Man, I absolutely love this car. One of my favorite things about it is definitely the ambient lighting. I love the interior, I love the exterior, I love the sound, I love the performance. Essentially everything about this car, man, I'm just like completely in love with. This is my first AMG, I'll be honest. It's a 2023, so maybe that's why I'm so in love with it. Maybe if I had owned an AMG before, I'd be like, but truth is, man, this is my first AMG. I worked hard for it, right? So I'm happy about it, and you know, I'm gonna enjoy it. I took an iconic photo here at one point, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the same photo. I took this photo when the CN Tower was lit up, when the Sky Dome was lit up. It's not lit up right now, but fuck it, let's go check it out. Now, one of my favorite features, look at that, man. Like, this shit just completely lights up. This is the AMG in all its glory, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can see it's kind of foggy outside, so you're not getting a clear view of any of the skyline. But trust me when I say the CN Tower is right there. But yeah, man, this is I keep looking at my phone because I want to make sure you guys can see properly, you know what I mean? I don't want to get home to edit it and it's just looking crazy. But yeah, man, this is like, the steering wheel is just so clean, you know what I mean? Let me stop the video real quick and I'm gonna pick you all up in a second. All right, man, we back. I took a few photos, you know how it goes. We're gonna absolutely terrorize the streets, have some fun, and let that motherfucker roar. All right, we're gonna put this bitch in sport. So in order to do that, you could just turn this, boom, throw that in sport, exhaust opens up, and now we ready to roll. You heard me. Let's get it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Bro, this thing is a fucking beast. I shit you not, this is an absolute beast. I hope y'all can hear the burbles. Alright, let's rock. Just like that. Just like that, man. After the wash, we'll actually hit the downtown core. I mean, we're still downtown, but we're gonna go to where the fuckery's at, you know what I mean? It just goes, man, like boom, just like that. And we're going down to the wash. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this thing. It's filthy. Like, I picked it up and it was raining that day, so that's why it looks like, you know, gross. You know what I mean? Like look at that. It's supposed to look like that, but it looks like that, and that cannot be good. So let's wash this joint. How many people are getting upset right now because I'm using a brush on the AMG? All right, family, as y'all can see it, car is fully washed. Shit looking clean, man. Clean Benz, man. Come on. All right, fellas, so we actually just finished washing the car. As promised, we're gonna go hit the streets of downtown well, I keep saying downtown Toronto. We are downtown, but we're gonna hit up, you know, we're gonna go see if there's any fuckery going on. Pop the roof, okay. Just keep in mind, there is a police station right here, so you know. Oh my God, it's pouring rain. Are you fucking kidding me? You gotta be kidding me, right? We just washed the car and it's pouring rain? Oh, hell nah. Well, at least it looks a little cleaner, right? Let's get out and see if we can get a nice photo. Man, I love that. Let's touch the roads. Let's see what's going on. That's just really unfortunate. I can't even lie to y'all, man. I just washed the car. We come outside. It wasn't raining earlier, which I knew it was wet, right? So it is what it is, but I was at least hoping it was just the ground was wet, because then at least the car could stay, you know, somewhat looking a little clean. Because, you know, this is the Clean Benz channel, right? But it's gonna be dirty. That's fine. But the beauty here is that the roads are empty, so let's take full advantage of that. Have some fun. Get a photo here. See how this looks. We chillin'. Alright, let's keep it moving. We're gonna go hit the streets. Battery's dying again on my GoPro. Seems to be a normal thing these days. Let's go this way. I can almost guarantee there's gonna be some fun this way. I hope you caught some of that and it wasn't all just road noise. I don't know, man. I don't know what to do to get some good audio. Yeah, I think that's good. Get it. I honestly thought I saw a cop behind me, so I was gonna go. I tried to make a right to lose him, but it wasn't a cop after all, so I just kept going. Sheesh. You guys are catching those burbles. Nah, this thing is actually fucking a demon. Okay? This thing is a fucking demon. It is so quick, so nimble, so smooth. It's just got it all. As y'all can see though, downtown is fucking empty right now. It is 3 in the morning. So can have an idea. A minute left. So if y'all made it this far in the ride along POV Friday night cut up, I guess it wasn't really a cut up, but Friday night fuckery, go ahead and smash the like button if you want another one. I will drop another one during the day. I could do more night ones, I could do highway runs. If y'all are fucking with the way I be moving this thing, then let's get it. But on that note, I'm gonna just let this thing speak for itself. But yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed it, man, go ahead and smash the like button. Let me know what you liked the most. Let me know what you didn't like. That way I can at least incorporate it in the next video. And hey, man, if y'all are looking into an E53, whether or not it's worth the money, I would completely have to say it is worth the money. Every single dollar. And on that note, I'm gonna call it a night. Y'all stay safe out there, man. Stay safe, drive safe. Always make sure to put on your seatbelt. I'm out.